Top 10 essay topics about electric vehicles. Comparison of electric and gas-powered vehicles. In this essay, you can compare the two types of vehicles according to various criteria. These may include the technology they use, their environmental impact, overall performance, and cost. Pay particular attention to charging versus refueling infrastructure. Is electric car charging convenient enough? How do electric vehicles work? Here, you can provide an in-depth explanation of how electric cars work. Focus on the main components, the electric motor, the power electronics, and the battery. How do they work together to make a vehicle run? Also, explain how the energy is stored inside the car. Tesla Motors, electric vehicles marketing. Tesla Motors' mission is to create sustainable and high-performing vehicles. Their focus on innovation and environmental consciousness differentiates them from other car manufacturing companies. In your essay, explore how the unique selling proposition of Tesla Motors facilitates the growing popularity of electric vehicles. Electric cars and benefits of their early adoption. In this essay, write about the benefits of adopting electric cars as a primary means of transportation. Mainly, focus on their sustainability and eco-friendliness. Explain how the widespread usage of electric vehicles can help reduce air pollution and CO2 emissions. Hybrid electric vehicle batteries, charging and discharging. The battery's proper functioning is crucial for a hybrid electric vehicle. In particular, it should be able to charge and discharge properly. Your paper can review different charging methods, such as regenerative braking. Also, discuss the role of battery management systems in optimizing charging and discharging. Discussion: electric cars and the future. What are the implications of widespread electric car usage in the future? Answer this question in your essay. Make sure to explore both pros and cons. The former includes the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, while the latter mainly relates to the obstacles such as the higher cost of electric cars. Charging infrastructure projects. Did they boost the French electric vehicle market? In this essay, you can discuss the adoption of electric cars in Europe. For example, in France, various charging infrastructure projects have been implemented in an attempt to make electric vehicle use more accessible. It addressed the problem of range anxiety, which inspired more people to use such cars. Divergent technological strategies among leading electric vehicle firms in China. Here, you can review different approaches used by electric car producers in China. What makes them stand out? To answer this question, consider how some companies prioritize research and development to create advanced technologies. What is the corporate culture like there? How does it help these companies compete with others? Increasing electric vehicle policy efficiency and effectiveness by reducing mainstream market bias. Mainstream market bias refers to the tendency to promote incentives toward early adopters. Your task here is to explain why this approach harms the electric car industry. One argument is that early adopters present only a tiny fraction of the market. Thus, reducing the bias will help engage a broader range of potential consumers. Key drivers behind the adoption of electric vehicles in Korea. This essay can look into the reasons behind the rising popularity of electric cars in South Korea. For example, to encourage people to use more eco-friendly vehicles, the government offered tax benefits and subsidies to those who bought them. Additionally, you can look into consumer attitudes toward electric cars in Korea.